Hello students, this is a maths worksheet 32. This is a revision worksheet of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Dear students, here we will learn about and revise about factors, multiples and prime and composite numbers. Here we will revise here finding factors. Procedure. Here the procedure of finding factors, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Obtain the number whose factors are to be listed. Step 2. Divide the number by 2. If the number is divisible by 2, find the quotient and list 2 and other factor quotient just below 2. Step 3. Divide the number by 3. If the number is divisible by 3, find the quotient and list 3 and the quotient just below 3. Step 4. Divide the number by 4. If the number is divisible by 4, find the quotient and list 4 and the quotient just below 4. Continue this process with 5, 6, 7, etc. till you get a factor which has already been listed. Example, write all the factors of 36. Here the solution. First we divide the number by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So first we divide the number by 1, and 1 divide 36 in 36 times. So we write here 36 equal to 1 multiplied by 36. Now second, 36 equal to 2 into 18, because 36 divided by 2 in 18 times. So we write 2 multiplied by 18, then divided by 3. So 36 equal to 3 into 12, because 36 divided by 3 in 12 times, and 36 equal to 4 into 9, because 36 divided by 4 in 9 times, and 36 not divisible by 5, so we not write 5 here, and 36 equal to 6 multiplied by 6, because 36 divided by 6 in 6 times. Stop here because both factors 6 are same. Thus the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now multiples. Example, write first 5 multiples of 17. So how can we find multiples? We multiply the number by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. So in the order to obtain first 5 multiples of 17, we multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. We have 17 multiplied by 1 equal to 17, then 17 multiplied by 2 equal to 34, then 17 multiplied by 3 equal to 51, 17 multiplied by 4 equal to 68, and 17 multiplied by 5 equal to 85. Hence, first 5 multiples of 17 are 17, then 34, 51, 68 and then 85 respectively. Common factors and multiples. Example, find the common factors of 12 and 18. Solution. First we find the factors of 12 and then 18. Then we take a common factors in the both numbers. So the factors of 12 are 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6 and 12. And the factors of 18 are 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 6, comma 9 and 18. So here the common factors of 12 and 18 are clearly 1, comma 2, comma 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. In this example, we find the multiples of 6 and 8. Example, find two common multiples of 6 and 8. Solution, first we find the multiples of 6. And how can we find multiples of 6? First we multiply by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. So the multiples of 6 are 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So here clearly the common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24 and 48. Prime and composite numbers. Prime number, a number having no factor other than 1 and number itself, is called a prime number. Example, write all prime numbers between 70 and 90. So here we notice if a number having no other factor than 1, so these type of number are called prime numbers. So prime numbers between 70 and 90 are 71, 73, 79, 83 and 89. So these are the prime numbers between 70 and 90. Composite number, a number having factors other than 1 and the number itself is called a composite number. Friends, here we will solve examples related to factors and multiples. Now example number 1, find the first 5 multiples of 12. Here we find multiples of 12. First we multiply 12 by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. So first we multiply 12 by 1, 12 ones are 12, then 12 multiply by 2, 12 twos are 24, then 12 multiply by 3, 12 threes are 36, then 12 multiply by 4, 12 fours are 48, 12 multiply by 5, 12 fives are 60. Now the first 5 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Number 2, find two numbers whose difference is 2 and product is 24. So here we have to find two factors of 24 whose difference is 2 and the product is 24. So first we find the all factors of 24. So the all factors of 24 are 1 multiply by 24, then 2 multiply by 12, 3 multiply by 8 and 4 multiply by 6. 24 ones are 24, 12 twos are 24, 8 3 are 24 and 4 6 are 24. Now if we subtract 24 minus 1, it gives difference 23, and we find difference 2. 12 minus 2 give difference 10, 8 minus 3 give difference 5, and 6 minus 4 give difference 2. So here clearly 4 and 6 are two factors of 24, such that 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 24. Hence the required numbers are 6 and 4. Now example number 3, write all factors of 16. So the first factor of 16 is 1 into 16, then 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. So therefore the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Example number 4, a number is divisible by both 7 and 16. By which other number will that number be always divisible? So if any number divisible by the other number, so it always divisible by number 1, means divisible by 1. So the other number, will that number be always divisible, is 1. Example number 5, write the smallest 4-digit number and express it as a product of primes. So here we simply say that first we find smallest 4-digit number and then we simply factorize it by prime factorization. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. To express it as a product of primes, we use the division method as shown below. So first we divide the 1000 by 2, 2 5s are 10, then 2 zeros, then divide by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Then again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, and remainder 1, 2 5s are 10. Then divide by 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Then again by 5, 5 5s are 25. Then again by 5, 5 1s are 5. So the above process can also be depicted as follows: 1000 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and 5 into 5 into 5. Example number 6, write all prime numbers between 10 to 20. So first we write 10 to 20 numbers. Here we use method the sieve of Eratosthenes. So we circle prime numbers and cross and cut composite numbers. So here we write numbers from 10 to 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now here 10 is a composite number, so we cut the composite number, and 11 is prime number, so we circle here. 12 is a composite, so we cross the composite number. 13 is a prime number, 12 is composite, 15 is composite, 16 is composite number, and 17 is prime, 18 is composite, 19 is prime, and 20 is composite. So the prime numbers between 10 to 20 are 11, 13, 17 and 19. Total 4 numbers. Dear students, here I keep some questions related to above discussion, so you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.